how to add or remove the clipboard panel to edge panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. After click on display, scroll down and click on edge panels. After click on edge panel, make sure turn on edge panel button. After turn on edge panel button, click on panels. If you want to add clipboard panel to edge panel, click on clipboard. Select clipboard, go back and you will see clipboard panel is add on edge panel. If you want to remove clipboard panel to edge panel, click on keyboard and you will see clipboard panel is removed on edge panel. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add or remove the clipboard panel to edge panel on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.